In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gemini app. Switching to dark mode can make the app easier on your eyes, especially at night, and it may help conserve battery on devices with OLED screens. Let's walk through it clearly so you can make the change in just a few moments. First, open your Gemini account. Launch the Gemini app and make sure you're on the main screen where you normally interact with the app. If you've been using it recently, you should land right where you left off. The key here is simply to get into the app and be ready to adjust your preferences from your account. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. This will make the next step quicker. Next, click Settings. In most versions of the Gemini app, you'll find Settings by tapping a gear icon or your profile thumbnail, often located in the top corner of the screen. If you see a menu button with 3 lines or dots, tap that and look for Settings in the list. Once you're in, you'll be on the page where you can manage how the app looks and behaves. Don't worry if your layout looks slightly different. Designs can vary with updates, but the option you need will be there. Now, click Theme. Depending on your app version, this might also be labeled Appearance, Display, or simply Theme. Open that section and look for the available visual styles. You'll typically see options like light and dark, and sometimes an option that follows your device settings. For our purpose today, choose dark. The app should switch immediately, transforming backgrounds to deeper tones and adjusting text for comfortable contrast. Give the interface a quick look to make sure everything is readable for you. Dark mode should reduce glare and make content feel softer, especially in low light. If you work in bright environments, you might prefer to turn your screen brightness up slightly so text remains crisp. If you don't see the theme option, it can help to glance back at settings sections like Appearance or Display. And if it's still not visible, it may be due to an older app version. Updates commonly add or refine visual options. When in doubt, simply revisit settings later because interface labels can move with new releases. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, go to Settings, click Theme, and select Dark. Enjoy a calmer, more comfortable viewing experience, and remember, you can return to the same place anytime if you want to switch back.